Hi, it's Michelle from the Bead Gallery, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble this extremely cute unicorn and crescent charm earring with amethyst. Okay, and the technique I'm going to use today is called basic wire wrap, and it is on our YouTube channel. This is a very simple earring to make. All I need to do is attach one bead to connect the two components, and then we're done. We're going to start by doing a basic wire wrap loop. Okay, so with the 24 gauge wire, so I have my centered loop on my wire. Okay, and I'm going to kind of compare the earring that I had already made with the loop that I just made. I want them to be about the same size, just so they hang at about the same height when they're done. I'll hook on my unicorn charm here and use my chain nose plier to hold my loop as I wrap the wire around the base of the loop like this. And then I'm going to use my cutter to trim the wire away, cover the tail so it doesn't go flying. Use my chain nose plier to tap the wire down like so it doesn't stick out and get caught on anything. Then I'm going to string my amethyst on here. This one's a neat star cut matte finish amethyst. I really think this is pretty. It adds like a dreamy effect to this particular project. Okay, so if you look at the way I wrapped the bead on the this earring, I did make the loops in the same plane, so flat like this instead of one flat and one on edge, basically because I want the crescent and the unicorn to be facing in the same direction. Okay, and because I want the loop to be really close to the top of the bead, I'm just going to bend at a right angle against the top of the bead like so. Okay, instead of using my chain nose plier. You can do that on very sturdy stones or glass beads. You don't want to do that on everything because you can crack a bead if it is fragile or prone to breaking. Okay, then I'm going to make a loop like so. You need to make this loop a little on the bigger side because it has to comfortably accommodate the thickness of the crescent moon charm. So I'm going to make my loop just a little bit bigger. And the way I do that is you kind of unroll and push down the jaw of the plier like this. Okay, so we're going to adjust the size of the loop. And that, let me see, it's hard, the crescent is getting in the way. That looks about the same size, so I think we're good there. And I'm going to pop my loop open just a little with my chain nose plier, and I'm going to hook my crescent on to that loop. So it looks like this. And then I'm going to wrap my loop shut. So hold as much of the loop as you can with the chain nose plier so it doesn't get distorted. And wrap that tail around the base of the loop like so. Then we're going to just trim the excess wire away. And again, if you have to tap the tail down just a little bit, you can with your chain nose plier. This one I cut it really close so it doesn't need to be squished down all that much. Okay, and now we're ready to attach our charm to our ear wire here. When I make earrings, I like to have them mirror each other, so I'm going to look at the way this fits on here like so, and I'm going to have it face in the opposite direction when I attach it to the ear wire, so I'll keep that in mind. Okay, and hook this on, and before you shut it, make sure that it's facing the right way. I think I put it on the wrong way, so I'm going to change it. Okay, So we'll just turn it around and sew that shut. Okay, and here we go. I think we're done with our unicorn crescent charm earring.